Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. Now we're going to see about helping verbs. We know that main verb mean action words are called main verbs, right? And helping verbs. What are the uses of helping verbs and where we have to use the helping verbs? This and all we're going to see in this video. See, verbs are action words. Between main verbs are action words. They express a physical action. Okay. Main verbs எதை express பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா physical actions express பண்ணும். Such as just some examples. Jump, laugh, play. These are the examples of physical action. And mental action such as mental action. இதெல்லாம் mental action பாருங்க. Think, dream. Okay. These are also actions. But mental actions. நம்ம மனசளவுல செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு விஷயங்கள். ஓகேவா? Okay, next one. What do helping words do? Helping words வந்து என்ன செய்யும் பாருங்க. They help the main verbs to form sentences. Main verbக்கு sentences form பண்றதுக்கு helping verb வந்து யூஸ் ஆகுது. Then Mr. John is sitting in his garden. This is an example. Okay. Here is a helping verb. So is யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கனால nouns number singular அப்படின்றத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So helping verb எதுக்காக யூஸ் ஆகும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா nouns நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்க ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். தென் டென்ஸ் அது வந்து எந்த டைம்ல நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் ஆகும். அது பிரசன்ட் டென்ஸா இல்ல பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸா இல்ல ஃபியூச்சர் டைமா அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு. ஓகேவா? தென் birds are flying in the sky. Second example. Birds the plural one. ஓகேவா? So plural நம்ம என்ன verb யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Orன்ற verb யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Birds are flying in the sky. Then another name for helping verb is auxiliary verbs. Helping verb என்னன்னு சொல்வோம்? Auxiliary verbs னு சொல்வோம். Okay. See the next. Here I have listed the family. Okay. 6 family verbs. இதான் auxiliary verbs. Be family verbs. Am, is, are. Am, is, are. 3 present tense verbs. Okay. Was, were, past tense. Be, being, been. Then have family. Has, have, had. இதுல singular, plural, then tenses. அதை வச்சு நம்ம verbs யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோம். Do family verbs. Do, does, did. Can family. Can, could. Shall family. Shall, should. Will family. Will, would. These are all the helping verbs. Okay, next see. Identify the words that are not helping verbs. Helping verb இல்லாததை என்ன செய்யணும்? Identify பண்ணணும். See here. Can, shall, say, will. In this, say is not the helping verb. In second one, where, at, being, be. Here, at is not the helping verb. Do, did, shall, done. Okay. Here, done is not the helping verb. Has, had, on, could. Here, on. In fifth one, do, am, have, it. Here, it. Okay. Helping verb இல்லாததெல்லாம் நம்ம தனியா red colorல highlight பண்ணி காமிச்சாச்சு. Next one is, am, or, were. Here, were. Then seventh one, been, what, am, should. Here, what is not the helping verb. Then eighth one, when, should, is, does. Here, when is not the helping verb. Will, can, shall, than. Here, than is not a helping verb. Could, of, has, or. Here, of is not the helping verb. Okay, see the next exercise. Underline the helping verbs in the sentences given below. கீழே கொடுக்கிற sentencesல இருக்கிற helping verbs underline பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. See the first one. I am visiting my uncle now. Here, am is the helping verb. And second one, we are going for a picnic in his car. Here, or is the helping verb. Then, my cousins have come with us. Here, have is the helping verb. Fourth one, My aunt was not coming with us. Was is a helping verb here. And fifth one, we are overjoyed that we could convince her to come. Okay, here or is a helping verb. Same exercise. She can tell funny stories. Here can is a helping verb. Seventh one, she does know how to play Chinese checker. Does. Then eighth one, cousin Mona says, I have taught many how to play Chinese checkers. Here have. The ninth one, she says, who is going to drive the car if I play? Is the helping verb. Okay, and see the next exercise. When your helping verb is followed by a not, the not can be shortened. Okay, helping verb பக்கத்துல not வந்ததுன்னா not வந்து நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், shorten methodல யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா, which means short forms ன்னு சொல்லலாம். See here, will plus not என்ன சொல்ல, won't. Not mean n apostrophe யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Then had plus not, hadn't. Can plus not, can't. Have plus not, haven't. Do plus not, don't. Could plus not, couldn't. For example, will you not go to the park? நம்ம shortenல எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு பாருங்க. Won't you go to the park? Will not join பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம், won't ன்னு போட்டோம். ஓகேவா, இதே do not தனித்தனியா வந்ததுன்னா don't ன்னு போட்டுக்கணும். Could not தனியா வந்தா couldn't. Okay. Next, rewrite these sentences using the shortened forms of not with the helping verbs. Shortened forms நம்ம learn பண்ணியாச்சு. ஓகேவா, so sentence கொடுப்பாங்க, அந்த sentenceல நம்ம shortened form யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Syllabus 1. We should not shout in the class, but we can shout at the picnic. Class நம்மளால சத்தம் போட முடியாது, but picnicல நாம என்ன செய்யலாம், சத்தம் போடலாம். Here should not. We shouldn't shout in the class, but we can shout at the picnic. My aunt could not play Chinese checker. Here couldn't. My aunt couldn't play Chinese checker. Okay, so the next one. We are not happy with the high temperature of this summer. Here are not. Are not a short form. Orange. We aren't happy with the high temperature of this summer. And fourth one. Will you not have these sandwiches? Will plus not, won't. Okay. Won't you have the sandwiches? And fifth one. My uncle do not want to drive the car. Do not, don't. My uncle don't want to drive the car. Is he not coming for the picnic? Okay. Isn't he coming for the picnic? Then I cannot run as fast as my cousin. So I can't run as fast as my cousin. Does she not win prizes in races every year? Doesn't she? Okay. Auxiliary verb, subject, not வந்ததுன்னா subject எடுத்து பின்னாடி போட்டுட்டு auxiliary verb not in join பண்ணி firstல போட்டுக்கணும். Okay. I could not carry the picnic basket alone. Could not சேர்ந்தே வந்திருக்கு, so couldn't. In the last one, aunt said the basket is not too heavy for the two of you to carry. Okay. Here, aunt said the basket isn't too heavy for the two of you to carry. Okay, and thank you so much. Next class, we'll discuss about the next topic. Thank you.